Dumbbells or bodyweight? Which one actually builds muscle faster? Some say lifting weights is the only way to grow, while others swear by calisthenics. Today, we're breaking down the pros, cons, and which method is truly best for you. First, let's define our two contenders. Dumbbell training uses external resistance to overload muscles, making it easier to target specific muscle groups. Plus, progressive overload is simple, just increase the weight. Bodyweight training uses your own weight to build strength with movements like push-ups and squats. It develops functional strength, mobility, and requires no equipment. Both methods build muscle, but dumbbells allow you to load muscles with more resistance, leading to greater hypertrophy over time. However, bodyweight exercises like one-arm push-ups or weighted dips can still build serious size. Progressive overload is key for muscle growth. With dumbbells, just increase the weight. With bodyweight, progress by adding reps, slowing tempo, or doing harder variations like archer push-ups. Both work, but dumbbells offer faster progression. Bodyweight wins on convenience, no gym, no equipment, train anywhere. Dumbbells need space and gear, but allow for more variety. In injury risk, dumbbells can strain joints if used incorrectly. Bodyweight is generally safer, but can lead to overuse injuries with high reps. It depends on how you train. Dumbbells offer hundreds of exercises, but bodyweight workouts force creativity, think handstands and muscle-ups. Why not mix both? So, which is better? For maximizing muscle growth quickly, dumbbells win. For functional strength, convenience, and mobility, bodyweight shines. The best approach? Combine both for insane results. Now, tell me, do you prefer dumbbells or bodyweight? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more fitness breakdowns.